Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lamb shanks. Very cheap, very affordable. We're gonna jump right in, guys. Very simple recipe. We're gonna smoke it. First, we're gonna rub it, okay? Some olive oil to bind. And then we're gonna have a lot of spices in it. Lamb loves spices. You give lamb spices, lamb give you back flavor, very big flavor. Salt, pepper, garlic, cumin, coriander, onion, cinnamon, paprika, and turmeric. We're gonna mix that in, and we're gonna smoke it 3 hours. No touch. Just put it in the smoker, let it be, let it soak it in the smoke flavor, and then we're gonna braise in apple juice and pineapple juice. It's gonna make it tender, more tender. And cinnamon sticks, star anise, some cloves, and cardamom for the braising. That's for the braising. Now we're gonna mix it. Pour in the spice mix. Turn them. Pour some more. We're gonna mix it good. Let the spices go everywhere, okay? Some extra pepper. We love pepper here. Okay, just like that. Okay, out to the smoker. The smoker is set at 110 Celsius or 225 to 230 Fahrenheit, okay? In with the lamb. Just like that. On the second. So it just drip the fat down, and we're gonna use this flame, okay, to braise later. This is the first check after 3 hours and 10 minutes. Woo! There's the oxtail. There's the lamb shank. If you're watching the lamb shank video, I highly recommend you watching the oxtail video. And if you're watching the oxtail, oh my god, look at the color video, I recommend you watching the lamb shank. I'm making 2 videos. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Okay, time to bring it in. Very simple, guys. 2 cinnamon sticks, some cardamom, star anise, and some cloves. Just put it in. And then the juice, pineapple juice. We all know, and if you don't know, now you know. Pineapple juice, tenderized meat. They got some enzyme in there. And then we're gonna add some apple juice for acidity, okay? Very simple, guys. So far, we've been rubbing the lamb with a lot of spices, because lamb loves spices. We smoked it 3 hours and 10 minutes. We took him out. We took it in here and getting it ready to braise. That's it, guys. It's gonna braise for three or 4 hours. I want 4 hours. So whew. Oh, the aroma. Oh, that smells delicious. Let's open this. I'm so excited. Can't wait. Yes. Oh. Look at that. Oh, beef. Oh. I think we did it. Fall off the bone. Oh. Oh, this might be better than the oxtail, in my opinion. The first bite, definitely better than the oxtail. Oxtail was very, very, very good. But lamb, I might be weak for lamb. I might be biased, but oh, lamb got a special place in my heart.